Remote recording is an incredibly powerful tool, as Panopto is made up of lots of different partners in its ecosystem, and we focus on the acquisition to delivery through Panopto. So to support remote recorders, Panopto does a remote recording software which we can install into Windows as a service. But outside of this, we also have an array of incredible hardware partners within the AV technology space who we proudly partner with. These partners enable us to be able to demonstrate in our London lab, in either live workshops or remote demonstrations, their different workflows and solutions. As working with part of these partnerships as well, this is where we can cross-collaborate on product developments. Our support teams can also cross-functionally work with our software, also to the hardware in the support team cases. And we're also able to add new devices inside here and test the latest and greatest where we need to. As you can also see inside here, we have different ways of seeing remote recording indicator lights, so you can see when a session might be happening. And we also have different workflows that also happen with each hardware vendor too. So for me, personally, it's a really great experience because I have no 2 days that are the same. So it's incredible to see their different approaches, different collaborations that we're able to do, and also here in London, being able to collaborate even in the office. This is one of the world first labs in terms of a video content management software company doing something like this. So it's always a great privilege to be able to achieve this through the support of our partners. So that's an exclusive behind the scenes look, and I hope you found this video insightful.